Welcome back to Mitchell Makes Vids, where we spotlight stocks with breakthrough potential. I'm Mitchell, and today we're covering Artiva Biotherapeutics, ticker ARTV, a clinical stage biotech developing natural killer cell therapies with lead candidate ALO-NK, looks like ALLONK, targeting autoimmune diseases and cancers through deep B cell depletion when combined with monoclonal antibodies. 2025 highlights include November's positive initial safety and translational data from ongoing trials showing effective outpatient dosing and strong B cell depletion in autoimmune patients. The FDA granted fast track designation earlier this year for refractory rheumatoid arthritis. Today, December 15th, shares are jumping 14% in pre market to around $3.75, building on recent gains amid analyst optimism. Wedbush maintains outperform with a $23 target, implying massive upside. With a robust pipeline in a hot cell therapy space, ARTV is gaining traction. Buy, hold, or watch closely. Comment your take below. Like for more biotech alerts, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Mitchell Makes Vids. Guys, check the links in the video description below. Make some cash. Become a member of my YouTube channel today. See you in the next one.